Just how spooked is Pakistan since India got the Rafales? In fact, even before the Rafales arrived in India, Pakistan was spooked. How do we know that? There was an Air Pass seminar in Pakistan in March 2020, and listen in to Air Vice Marshal Amir Fayaz as he fears, as he expresses Pakistan, their community's fear about Indian Air Force strikes deeper than Balakot and with a bigger impact. Listen in.
I would imagine India on the offensive in another 18 to 24 months when it receives and operationalizes a sizable number of Meteor-equipped Rafale from France. Only this time, she would venture deeper than 5 kilometers and engage multiple targets to stamp its superiority in the aerospace domain. I imagine Indian willingness to spread the conflict in air beyond Kashmir and possibly over the international borders.
And is this why Pakistan is desperate for dialogue with India? I want to quickly bring in my colleague Shiv Arur for more on this. And Shiv, this Air Vice Marshal in that Air Pass seminar actually expresses Pakistan's fears. The truth about Balakot is out. Indian Air Force went in and struck. And two, they fear next time with the Rafales and the Meteors, the strike would be deeper and harder.
Gaurav, this video is from a few months ago, at least 5 to 6 months ago, and it has inexplicably gone viral once again. I imagine because, the Rafales have just been inducted and they're all over the place right now. But the fact is, what the Pakistani Air Marshal says is absolutely true. Technically speaking, there's no chest beating here. The Mirages were used for the Balakot airstrikes. If the Rafales ever need to be used for a mission of that kind, and they're certainly much better equipped than the Mirages to do such a thing, yes, technically, theoretically, the Air Marshal is right. They will be able to go much further in. They've got, far superior stealth characteristics. They've got electronic warfare systems. They've got jamming equipment that can, keep them in the air for much longer and less vulnerable to attacks from the ground and from other aircraft. They've got long-range weaponry that will allow them to penetrate deeper. So on all of those aspects, it's a very simple thing to say. It's a far superior aircraft. It's a generation ahead. It's got all manner of electronic equipment that would, keep it safe from enemy attacks, both on the ground and in the air. So absolutely, I'm in full agreement with what the Pakistani Air Marshal has said, that if the Rafale is used for a similar or an identical sort of mission where it needs to cross into contested airspace, it would be in the air much longer, travel far deeper, and perhaps be able to attack many more targets than the Mirages can. So he's totally right.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.